Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making a bowl. So I have this really large mold. This is a dish mold from Resin. This was sent to me to review, so thank you so much. This is a very large mold. As you can see, it is about 8 inches across and 2¼ inch tall. So this can be used as a bowl or maybe even a planter. And since this is the first time I'm using this mold, I'm going to keep it simple. So I'm going to use a mix of some silver flakes and some white. I'm going to be using this ocean white epoxy pigment. This is actually meant to create waves and cells in seascape, but because this is a very thick paste, I think it will work really well for this project. And the resin that we'll be using today is also from Resin. This is their 40-ounce bottle. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Here we're going to add some white, and I'm actually going to add a lot. This white is very nice. So just now, looking at the swirls while we mixed the white, it gave me an idea. I was thinking maybe it'll be fun to add a little bit of color. So here I have this beautiful blue. This is a pigment paste. And as you can see, it's also very, very thick. And I was thinking maybe we can add this into the resin and not fully mix it. So what I wanted to do is take a little bit of this paste, rather dip my stick in it. And what I want to do is kind of dip it in there and put it on the paddle. So here we're seeing some colors on the paddle, and we're going to give it a little mix just to give it some color. Let's see if this works. Over here we kept the resin clear, and what I'm going to do is just add some silver flakes. I don't want to overdo it because a little bit goes a long way with these flakes. Make sure the big chunks are broken up. Okay, so now we're going to take this resin, and as you can see down here it's still white, and up here is a little bit of blue. And let's go ahead and pour it into the mold. And on this side, I'm going to pour in the clear. Tap on it to knock out any bubbles. There's one right there. Make sure these bubbles are all out. So here's another idea. I took some more of the paste and made a thicker mixture. And now let's make some waves. So I'm going to pour a thick line of white right down the middle here. And then I'm going to blow it out and see if we can see cells. Do you see the cells? This is actually working out pretty good. Alright everyone, so I think we're ready to demold. From the back, it actually looks really, really pretty. I really like this little design with the white. However, I am a little bit worried about the underside, and this will be the inside of the bowl. So let's go ahead and take it out and see what it looks like. So let's loosen it all the way around. So it's only been about 10 hours since I poured, and that is why the resin here, or the bowl here, is still soft and malleable. So if you want to change the shape of the bowl, this is when you can do it. Or you should wait a full 24 hours to 72 hours for it to be cured, for it to be fully cured before you demold. But I'm a little bit impatient, so we're going to take it out and then reshape it. So here's the mold. We'll flip it back to its original position, and it's ready to be used again. Okay, now let's take a look at our bowl. Okay, so from the sides, I really like the swirls of blue and white. It's very marbly. And on this side is completely clear with little silver flakes, which I also really like. And here is the inside. So this is the part where maybe I messed up. I should not have poured that streak of white resin down the middle to create the waves, because it looks really nice from the back. However, most of the white, or much of the white, did sink to the bottom, and now we have this big old splotch. So that is kind of a bummer. And we did get a few splotches of the blue that did not mix very well. So there are some mistakes that was made on this bowl, but overall I do like the idea. I do like the mix of the two different colors, the solid color mixed with the clear. I think that makes it really pretty. And if only we didn't have these splotches down here, I think the bowl would have been really, really nice. Alright everyone, so I think those are some of the tips for next time, or to help you give you some ideas for a bowl of your own. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials like this, then give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!